Hey everybody, today I'm talking about a topic that many people are very afraid to talk about. Now, this topic is failure. Now, many people are afraid of this because they think it's bad, they think it's negative, they think it's not right. And today I'm going to prove why you should kind of want failure, why you should not be so afraid of it. Especially like if you want something in life, do not be afraid to go and get it. And if you fail, that doesn't mean something bad's gonna happen. And I know in like school we're taught like if you get an F, you failed, you're done, you're miserable, you're bad, you're crap. But that is not how failure works. Failure only happens when if you get to a low point, you're down and you're down there and you don't get yourself back up. Maybe you failed and you only fail if you don't get yourself back up. Like think about it this way. Through an example. There's a business owner, right? This business owner, his business is going pretty bad. He didn't have like the best idea and he's not bad at marketing and his business fails. His business goes under, he goes out of business. But instead of staying there, he got himself back up. He did it again, but differently. He had a different idea, yet similar. He marketed a lot better. He started using other things and other ways. And then he became a multi-million-dollar success. Like, think about it in a different way because many people are so afraid of failure, but they never see what they could actually succeed at. They never see, maybe through the curtain, all of the success and all the beauty that's on the other side. And now, like honestly, you should not be afraid of failure. Failure is the best teacher, many people have said. It is the best teacher that you should not be afraid of it. Like I have failed many times. I might be young, but I've failed at many, many things. A person who's never failed, never improved, never got better, and really never did anything. Like you always fail at something. Now, the points I'm going to go over is obviously why you should not be afraid of failure, and like why you really just honestly like I don't get why so many people are afraid of it. Like leave in the comments maybe like why people might be afraid of it, maybe why you're afraid of it, and maybe I could comment. Well, I'll probably comment back to you. I will comment back, and maybe we can just have like a little conversation. And the points I'm going over are: you grow through failure, you bring yourself back up, and a quote that I want to use right now, made by me: the greatest leaders had the greatest amount of fails. And that is a fact. That is so freaking true. You ask any business owner, you ask anybody socially, physically, mentally, they will always tell you the greatest leaders were the ones who failed the most. No matter how times they fail, if they got themselves back up, they got better. Now, to go over my second point, why you grow through failure. This also goes back to my business example. That through failure, you become better. Like, when I was younger, let me tell you a story. 7th grade, I was really bad at communicating and socializing. I was a very introvert person. I was like very calm, quiet, and I used to get picked on a little bit. Not much, but more like a friend pick on. It kind of it irritated me, but I kind of just let it slide because I think I might have been like a peacemaker or something. And I was bad at jokes, and this is what I'm trying to leave. Bad at jokes, I was bad at socializing, bad all that. And about a year ago, I tried to figure it out. Like I was sick and I was tired of being the person who was a freaking like more alone, who didn't really know what he's doing, didn't know how to make jokes. So I went online, I went to the internet, and I found this channel. I'll name it in a bit later. But I found this channel where it said jokes easily visualized. Now, I learned best through videos and everything, so I clicked on it quickly because I really wanted to know. And now today I can much easy. Like I always been learning from that point. And from that point, I became better and better and better. And through those failures of me making bad jokes, if I would have never met those failures, I would have never been here. I would not be here. I wouldn't be able to tell a joke as easily. I wouldn't even know what a joke would. I don't even know what a joke would be. That's how bad I was. Okay? You can, if you fail, just get yourself back up. That's the one thing that you always have to do. You only fail if you never get yourself back up. Now, next point, how you grow. All right, bring yourself back up. Always bring yourself back up, no matter what. As I said like 5 seconds ago, you have to bring yourself back up. You need to. The only time when you fail is obviously when you don't get yourself back up. I'm sorry that I said that 1,000 times, but it's so freaking true. If you never get yourself back up, you'll never succeed at anything. Like if you always get down about yourself, you're always negative every single time you fail and fail, but you never bring yourself back up, then yeah, you will fail. If you do that all your life, you will fail at your life. You'll never succeed because you never wanted to keep growing, keep learning, keep understanding. Yes, you will fail at many things. You will fail at tons and tons of things. And just remember that you grow from those failures. You grow from every experience. My opinion, every failure, if you get yourself back up, that's not a failure. That's an experience that you built off of. That's a person, how you became a much better person just by doing that one fail or experience. You got yourself back up, you took it away, and you're still fighting. That, if you keep doing that all your life is going to be amazing. Your life is going to be just how you want it to be. Everything that you wanted, your dreams, your hopes, your passions, there. Your entire life, and you will live the life of your dreams. Failure is the biggest teacher. Failure is one of the most important things in life. Remember that. Now that channel I talked about, right? That channel was called Improvement Pill. Now, that's where I found out jokes easily visualized, which really helped me. I thank them a lot. I thank them a lot because I would not be the person that I am without them just putting up that one video. And who knows? Improvement Pill, he could have put that over and over and tried to upload that many times, and he could have failed many times. But then he figured out a way to get through. He posted the video, and now it's great. He succeeded on the video. You never know. Everybody fails. I failed so many times. A lot of it was not physically. Most of it was mentally. Socially was a big one. But over those experiences, over those things, and me keep on learning and learning more and more, led me to the point where I am now. Now I can crack jokes a lot easier. And now it's getting to the point where like I'm getting good, I'm getting fast. Now I just do it normally. And it's great, I love it. And all I just want you to take out of this is that failure is so important. Do not be afraid of it. You grow from it, you become better from it. Even though I might be young, I have failed many, many times before. Some embarrassingly, and yes, yes, I failed, okay? Just a lot. Leave in the comments maybe what you failed at or what maybe you learned from a fail or anything really like that. I'm the speaker. I hope you all have a good night, and hopefully I'll see you later.